EGIFTS is Apple authorized independent repair provider. EGIFTS has been repairing phones since Samsung S3 or iPhone 3, which is around 15 years ago. We use Apple genuine parts as you request. We also have clients tested branded parts for cheaper price repair. We can make sure you get better price for the same quality parts and better quality for the same price parts. We currently have 4 locations in Auckland for repair services: Albany Westfield, Manukau Westfield, Sylvia Park Shopping Mall, St. Luke's Westfield. We open every day. Please check our website for more information. We have almost 99% phone screens, iPad screens, laptop screens in stock. Apple Genuine Screen is also in stock in our local shops. Please check with our shop staff for availability. We also provide third-party branded screens for phone, tablets, laptop, Mac repairing. 95% third-party screen used in NZ was OEM whose quality cannot be controlled. Our third-party screen is branded, which is more reliable than OEM.